Hi there, it's Ina here and welcome to my art room. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and please push the bell icon so you will receive notification of all my regular uploads. Today I will be working on an abstract painting. I am using a small recycled black canvas board. I use heavy body acrylic paints, my credit card, brushes and so on. So please enjoy the process. So far so good, but then I forgot to turn on my camera. So here is the next step I did, and I will repeat it for you on a small piece of paper. I just used texture paste, my palette knife, made a random design, opened up some holes using the end of a paintbrush, and then I also added some crackle paste just to the edges of the texture paste. That way everything could dry at the same time. I also opened up the circles, as in hindsight I didn't want them to be so even, so I use a little instrument here just to make them more random. And now everything is dry and we can go on. Now, of course, sealing everything with Mod Podge was meant to be the last step, but then I decided to add some simple white acrylic paints for highlights. I used a glitter pen to blend everything out and give a little shimmer and shine to the sunken areas. And then I sealed all those areas one more time with Mod Podge. And that brings me to the end of my project. And here is one more close-up look for you. Now, you all know that I am not an experienced abstract painter, but I really like to test the waters. I like to try different things and see what I can come up with. So I really hope you enjoyed today's experiment here. I like the colors, the warm background, the texture, of course, and the different shades of teal and shimmer for the focal points. So thank you so much for coming today and visiting with me. I hope I get to see you really soon again, and bye bye for now.